Hello dear students, welcome you all in the online lab learning program of Goyal Institute of Technology and Management and hope that your studies will going smoothly. Till now you have almost completed the theory part of your syllabus. But to become a complete engineer, experimental knowledge should also be very good. In the previous video of GITM's online lab learning program, I told you about the virtual lab platform, that through it you can do the practicals of all kinds of lab and you can also simulate them online. I hope that all of you must have seen that video. If you have not seen it, then we are giving a link in the description box of this video. Hopefully you will watch that video. Students, you should like and subscribe to this channel and also press the bell icon, as we will periodically posting video related to practicals and projects for you. Dear students, in the online software of virtual lab, there are some labs whose experimental details are not available, one of which is also a microprocessor lab. So we will use another platform for this practicals of 8085 microprocessor. This platform will be found by typing sim8085.com directly into the Google search bar. There is no need to download and install any kind of application for this. Students, now we will see how to execute program of 8085 microprocessor through 8085 platform. We will see the result by multiplying two 8-bit numbers. So the object of your experiment is to write an assembly language program to multiply two 8-bit numbers in 8085 microprocessor. As we all know that there is no instruction for multiplication operation in 8085, then we will do this program through successive addition. For this, we will take two memory locations 2050 and 2051 for input. When we multiply two 8-bit numbers, we will get the hexadecimal number in the result. So for this also, we will take two memory locations 3050 and 3051, where the result will be stored. We will start this program from 2000 memory location. Then we will enter the input number 07 and 02 on input at location 2050 and 2051, and the resultant output of 7 multiplied by 2 is 14, means in hexadecimal number 0E. Will display at 3050 and 3051. In algorithm, we will write two things: 1 to 7 number at 2 times, another multiplying of two 8-bit numbers with give us a number of 16-bit. So to store the result, we will take a pair of registers. Students, this is the program of this experiment which started from 2000 address. Here is the meaning of instructions which are used in this program. You can understand this program from here, but still you have any query, can get more detail through Google Classroom or Google Meet from your respective faculty. Now we will load, run and execute this program through SIM8085. SW, BC, DEHL, stack pointer and program counter. So these have by default initial values. Then there are some flag registers of 8085: 0 flag, sign flag, parity flag, C flag and auxiliary carry flag. If you wish take one of the flag, that means it is set, otherwise reset. You can change the value of these register A, B, C, accumulator, D and HL, but not these two, stack pointer and program counter. Now at the right hand side you can see the memory view. Here you can see all that memory locations 0000. So this memory locations is 0000. So this data at this memory location you can change by double clicking at this and if you want to see, suppose you want to see somewhere, you will scroll this like this horizontally, then you will get values like this 10, it is getting value 10ff. Now if you want to see beyond this, then you will go to 1100. So now it will go like this 1100 to 21ff. In this way you can use this memory view. Now this is the editor where you will be writing your code. Now at the top you have these buttons here. This is for assemble and load program. It will convert your program into the object code and corresponding data will be stored. Then this is the some run program. If you will click on this, then it will run the whole program once, and if you will go for this button, then at a time one instruction will be executed, and this is to stop the execution and this is to reset everything. Now let us start with a program. For our program we require input location 2050 and 2051. 2051 and 2051. In 2050 we will storing in 07 and 2051 be storing 02, and then we will move to this program editor. So whatever we will write after this semicolon, it will be treated as a comment. So this is a comment, this is also a comment, and this is also a comment. So what we can do, we will write our code here. Jump start means whenever this program will be executed, this will jump to this start, this code section directly. Here whatever you will write in between this data, it will just be considered for just to view our data what we are giving as input, but it will directly and the code will execute from here to here. So we will write our program. I have already written here, so we will copy and paste here. So this is coming here our program. Program title, you can write multiplication of 2 8-bit numbers like that. So now what we will do, we will assemble and load this program. So you will get there is no error, so you will get this comment, your code has been compiled and loaded to memory location. And that means the program counter restarting from 0800. So now what we will do, we will run one instruction at a time. So first instruction is jump start, then it will go to first instructions LHLD 2050H. So after execution of LHLD, we are getting 0702 in HL pair. From we are taking these input values, transferring these value to HL pair. So after exchange, we are getting this value to D also. Then C, we have stored one of the number as count to register C. Then we have initialized D to 00, initialized product to 00 in HL pair. Then after this DAD instruction, this DE and HL was added. It has came as 0007. Then we have decremented the C register, it is 01. Now as it is not equals to 0, so again we will go to DAD instructions. Now after adding the contents of HL with D, we are getting 000E. Then again we are decrementing C, so it has now 0. Then we are storing this result which stored in HL pair to 3050 and 3051, and finally we will stop the program. So now to check the output, we will check here in the memory view. We require 3050. So for 3050 you will go here, this 3050 we are getting 00E, and 3051 we are getting 00. So in this way you can perform multiplication of two 8-bit numbers by this simulator SIN 8085. You can take different input while use different memory locations. By that you can practice of this simulator 8085. You can execute all other 8085 program in this simulator